Your prospect lands on your service page, reads the deliverables, sees the price, and leaves. Nothing was wrong with the page. It asked for a decision they weren't equipped to make. They don't know what's causing the problem or how to tell a good solution from an expensive one. So they hesitate. They fixate on price because they can't see the value yet. And you read that as a sales problem. Louder copy, more posts, another offer. They don't need more persuasion. They need the problem at its actual size. Someone asking for a better logo can't yet see the inconsistency, costing them every customer interaction. Teaching that doesn't give away the work. A customer can understand why an identity needs consistency without being able to build one. Enough to decide is not enough to do. Show them the problem, and your offer stops needing a pitch. Start with the idea your customers keep missing. Schedule a free 30-minute discovery call.